In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually open a file and read the file in Python. So to open a file you have to say with, then open, and you can see here we have file, right? So your file can be string, can take integer, right? Okay, so what I need here, the file name. So I have to give here file name, so double single quotation, and then I need to give here a file name. So actually I'm going to create a file name here. Let's say new, I want a file, so let's name it test.txt. so the file extension is txt. Now this is the file, so I will say if you are angry, it means you are hungry. So let's say I want to open the text file here. So my file is in the same directory, right? So we just have to mention the file name only. So test.txt. So now here I'm going to say as file colon, go to the next line, and I want to read the file, right? So I will say print, I will say here file dot read the function. Okay, that's it. Now let's run it, and here you can see the file. If you are angry, it means you are hungry, so go and eat food. Okay, so this is how actually you can open file and read the file. Okay, super easy, right?